I was talking to a client this week about keywords and doing some keyword research, and they commented that it'd be great to do an AMA video because they didn't understand how to research keywords and really found that the advice was really beneficial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do a very simple keyword research. I am not an SEO expert, so all the information that I give you in this video is just what I've learned through my years of my own private practice and the SEO and things that I've done along the way. So Google have a wonderful keyword tool. If you're not sure about keywords and what I'm talking about and why you need to have a look at them, then I've done another video about keywords and I'll put it as a suggestion at the top, so somewhere along the top it'll come up and you can go and have a look at that one. So I won't spend ages in this video actually explaining what keywords are, but this is a way to do keyword research so that you'll end up with an Excel document with loads of keywords that you can then use in your website, in your pages, your descriptions, your blog titles, those kinds of things. So it can be really useful to understand what people are searching for and some really good keywords that you can use. So Google have a really good keyword planner. You will need to have a Google account, so be logged in. And there's two sort of elements. If you have been running ads in Google and if you have your card details in Google, then you see more information, but that doesn't mean that there isn't good information in there without having to kind of go into the whole ad side of things. So I've just typed in keyword planner. The other ones are different keywords planner. So in here there'll be a link, open keyword planner. So all I've done is Googled it and I'm signed into my Google account, my Refresh Minds Google account, so it will bring it up. So when you go to the keyword planner, there will be a discover new keywords option. We want to click that. And then in here, we're going to type a keyword. So because I'm in my Refresh Minds account, I'm going to type in stress. It's quite a popular one. And you can put your domain name in here if you want to, and it will use it as a filter, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to get the results for this. So down here it will come up with some broaden your search options. So here are some other options, and down here you will get a list of keywords. It will tell you on average what the monthly search volume is like, and it will tell you whether competition's low. So this is a Google tool, so what it's telling you is if you were to run a Google ad based on stress, then there's only so many spaces at the top. So when you go onto Google and you go in, as you can see from when I did this, there's adverts at the top. So all these ones that are adverts here, now they will be ads for, set up a Google ad so that you appear at the top of the searches. And what that's basically telling you is there's low competition for that particular keyword. So there's so many slots, so many people bidding for those slots, and this is telling you whether it's low, medium and high, whether there's loads of people going after that keyword or medium or low. And then here you'll have a bid range. So Google Adverts works on a bid range, so that gives you a kind of idea of what your bid would be in order to rank highly on Google for those particular search tools. But for me, I don't particularly run Google Ads specifically, so for me it's just doing some research around some of the keywords that I can use in my blog posts, in my website, in my titles, on page, those kinds of things more than anything. So this has come up with 522 keywords, so I could go down here and start compiling an Excel document. You can actually download it from here. It will tell me how many searches there are of that particular one, so stress relief might be. So for example, stress relief, there's 1,000 to 10,000 searches for that. So stress relief might be something that I put as one of my website headings, for example. You could put stress relief as the heading. So as you've seen before on my Refresh Minds website, if I go to the actual, this is the behind the scenes of my Refresh Minds website. Like treatments in here, I've put anxiety treatments, stress illness therapy, because they came from here. They came from my keyword research. So you might use these as your meta tags, you might use them as your descriptions, you might use them in your titles. It just gives you some really good ideas of the sorts of words that you can use in order to boost your SEO. So there's loads in here, and what I would advise doing is you can download it. So up here there's a little download button, you can download it, and you can slowly but surely start building an Excel document with loads and loads of keywords in, which you can then use over and over. You can use in all of your SEO blogging if you're doing that, or ways to relieve stress. That'd make a great blog title, for example. 5 ways to relieve stress, and that 100 to 1,000 people are searching for that on Google. There's a couple of other tools that you can use. So this is the Google Keyword Planner. There's a couple of others. The Hoth is fantastic. They've got some really great SEO tools that you can use. So another part of SEO is backlinks, which means that other websites with authority have linked back to your website. And that's another thing that you can do, is you can build backlinks from various websites, and they will do a backlink checker. I might do another video on about backlinks. So the keyword planner, they have a keyword planner. They have a headline generator, which is brilliant for blogging. All of these they're free tools. They just require you to sign up to the Hoth newsletter. And to be fair, their newsletter is brilliant. It has loads and loads of information, loads and loads of tips and things like that. So I would highly recommend that you sign up to the Hoth. And you could also do your keyword planner on here, which is really simple. Same again. You would just literally enter your keyword, continues the keyword planner, and it'll ask you to put your details in for the newsletter. So we could also run it on the Hoth and gather some more keywords. And then the other one is Moz. Moz is a really good website as well. I've got an account on Moz. You can sign up for a free account. And again, they have a keyword checker, and you can enter your keyword here. You get 10 queries a month for free on Moz. So this one is actually my Build It Brilliant account. So if I typed in digital marketing, because that's what Build It Brilliant is all about, you can change the country. So I'm in the UK and press analyze. Then this would come up with some suggestions. So we will have some keyword suggestions here. We have some mentions. So this is another great way. We can click all suggestions here, and it will come up again with our monthly volumes and some really good examples here. And again, we could copy some of these and start building up a Excel document of relevant keywords. So I hope that has helped and you found that interesting. Go away and do some keyword research for your business so that you can start entering relevant terms in your website page URLs, in your blog titles, in your descriptions, and it all helps you to get a better ranking in your Google search results.